last minute while I'm down here, I figured I would give the rundown on doing an oil change. 17 millimeter right here. See how big of a mess I can make. Gross. Anyways, this doesn't look so great, but you get the gist here. 17 millimeter, drop all your oil. Once this is done draining, I'll flip over to the other side and show you adding it. All right, so this would be pretty hard to do with only one hand, but basically unscrew your dipstick. Set that aside. Filter, or excuse me, funnel. I'm gonna use 1040. I don't remember if this is 1.1 or 0.7, but basically fill it, put your dipstick in there, don't screw it in. Once it's up to the full mark with it not screwed in, it's full. Yeah, so not really gonna be able to show it, but that's the gist of it. You always want to warm it up after you fill it and then recheck and go from there. All right, pretty easy on this one. Hey, so correction, if you open your eyes and read a little bit, Honda was courteous enough to put 0.6 liters right on the dipstick, so 0.6 liters will fill you up.